It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. So y'all, yes, when I cook them ribs for him tomorrow, yes, I'ma suck on his bones. I'ma suck his bones clean. I ain't gonna mess with the meat now, cause y'all know I ain't trying to do no pork right now, but I will suck a bone. Anyway, it's up to y'all discretion. Like I say, people in the store buying up everything they get their hands on. I don't like that. People are actually panicking, looking for food. People are actually panicking, looking for food. And that's what happened. So, I ain't trying to make y'all panic or nothing like that, but hey, this stuff is serious. Like I say, some of the preppers rumors are true. Now, some of us talking about you better say bye to your kid. That's too much right there, okay? There's already been a lot of death and stuff with that COVID situation. Now, they talking about Russia might start a war over here with the USA. But hey, we got more problems. People worry about starving. People stockpiling. Y'all checking out some of these people videos where they stockpiling food. Now, you know, well, I've been doing it for a while. I just checked out my first video. I've been making videos for 6 years. I didn't know it was that long. Dang, I've been on here 6 years. I ain't a millionaire yet. Been on YouTube 6 years and I ain't a rich yet. Look, I'm dripping water. But my ass is sweating. Like I've been working out. Well, I have been doing my little exercises. I've been doing my chin exercises. Chin exercises, neck, throat, jaw, lips. And I ain't trying to get no wrinkles, so less this smiling or frowning. My throat, ooh, excuse my dry hands. But my throat, look, that make me, but my throat, that is where you do your neck exercise, though. You go, You're stretching your throat. Now, you might not want to wrinkle your lips if somebody might not want to do women, men, shoot. Men and women, when you get older, they do Botox. They try to do anything under the sun to try and stay looking young. I have never dyed my hair. I ain't even planning on dyeing my hair. Because my brother, he dyed his hair to death and he thinning and you can see his scalp, but he don't believe that. He just going to keep on dyeing that stuff because he want to be sweet and tender for who? I don't know. What do you say for the girls? I don't know. What are you doing it for? When you got to think you got to keep your hair a certain color because you're trying to look young and fresh. Heck, I'm going to stay my age and I'm keep this beautiful gray hair. It just got to be moisturized. Tightly wound African-American hair. That's all, folks. Our hair is just so curled tight. They call it kinky. But, yeah, I came on here just to, look, my mind just be all over the place. I came on here to tell y'all about the food is missing in the store. Food is running out. So the preppers rumors possibly true. So if y'all got stores, well, hey, I can't walk in the store. Some of these people are showing stores where the shelves are completely empty. Now, my biggest concern would be toilet paper. Not so much paper towels, because I got a ton of rags. I can wash rags and dry rags. But toilet paper, y'all know what happened when the COVID hit. Folks, like, when toilet paper, you couldn't even find none. So that is one thing. We pick up toilet paper once a week. I think that's how we operate. Once a week. And it's, say, operated with y'all own discretion, because, hey, I'm just telling you, I'm just sharing my goings on and carries on what we do over here to make sure we have what we need. So y'all better just, I know that y'all been watching my channel for a while, a bunch of y'all. But y'all know what's going on, how I do it over here, what I've been doing, and what for. But I came on here to let y'all know I have witnessed people in the store like it's a holiday season, crowded type situation in the beginning of the week. Old, young, new, fresh people all up in the store loading their baskets down. Why nobody ain't at work, I don't know. All them people cannot seriously only work at night. Y'all, do y'all believe it? But anyway, act at your own discretion. If you think you need to get something, you better get it. Now, they was out there buying tons of water and stuff. Now, I've been hearing about that water. I shared with y'all about that water being contaminated before. Y'all got a sty in my eye. It got my eye so sore. I've been putting hot water on it to draw it to the head. If y'all know what a sty is, when you get like maybe something in your eye, don't like lotion, oil, perfect, anything. If you got sensitive eyes, it'll get that bump, and then it make your eyes so sore. It's not pink eye, but it's called a sty. Little bit of information. Sweating so bad. But I'm gonna get off here. I just had to come on here and tell y'all that people buying up all the food. What the heck going on right now? People buying up all the food. The rumors are true. Am I laughing? I'm laughing because I was saying, hey, these preppers be talking a mess. All alone. You know, some preppers, they just helping folks. And some of them, they, you know, clicks and views. But that ain't my business. They do what they do. I need a click, I need a view. But hey, I operate the way I operate. I come on here and tell y'all what I witnessed. I don't, you know, want to make up stuff or make up stuff. I'm telling y'all what I witnessed, what's going on in these streets. People in the store buying up all the food. But okay, speak in the comments, y'all. And by the way, I got 3 channels and I'm getting around, and I ain't got, now I love my 3 channels. Now, Miss JENITA been decluttering and cleaned up around here, so I've been kind of not as frequent getting around to my subscribers as I was before, because I'm interrupted because I got to clean up. I got to do stuff over here. I get my little energy, you know. So let me get out here. But I'll be checking out y'all channels. Don't worry. The people that still come around here support me, I'll be there. Now, y'all know I love my gardening channel and my crafting channel. And I've been doing the little short videos. And that is one way, you know, to do a quick video, a short video. I remember I used to say I couldn't stand them things. But now I see why people do them. It's an imitation of, they say imitation of TikTok, but I ain't never doing no TikTok. That's too much stuff, too much social media. I'm over here too much already. All right, y'all got to go. Y'all stay in survival mode. If y'all got any comments y'all want to share, y'all concerns about all the food being bought up, if y'all see that in y'all area, please say so in the comments. Don't be shy. Have some guts, have some nerve, be brave. And what did I say? Guts, bravery. You got the nerve. Are you, heck, I forgot what I used to tell y'all. Anyway, y'all stay in survival mode. And if you do got the guts, speak on it in the comments section. Stay in survival mode. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time.